Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato oat soup. First, gather your ingredients and prepare your cooking space. This easy method is designed for busy days, ensuring a delicious and nutritious meal without much fuss. We'll combine the goodness of ripe tomatoes with the heartiness of oats, creating a comforting soup that's both satisfying and quick to prepare. Get ready to enjoy a warm bowl in no time. To begin, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pot over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onion and sauté until it becomes translucent, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, stir in the minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Be careful not to burn the garlic, as this can make the soup bitter. This aromatic base is crucial for a flavorful soup. Now, add your chopped tomatoes to the pot with the onions and garlic. Cook them for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they start to soften and release their juices. Then, pour in the 3 cups of vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes. This step allows all the wonderful flavors to combine and deepen, creating a rich foundation for your soup. After simmering, stir in the 1/4 cup of quick oats. Cook for another 3 to 5 minutes, or until the soup thickens to your desired consistency. Remove the pot from the heat and carefully blend the soup until it's smooth and creamy, using either an immersion blender directly in the pot or transferring it to a regular blender. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot and enjoy your delicious, easy tomato oats soup. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.